Many years ago, before now, Afrobeats was considered as one of the most underrated genre in the music industry. This was because the global music industry didn't take African sound seriously. It was often dismissed as too local and too different, or simply not marketable enough for mainstream audience. But today the narrative is different. From Lagos down to Accra, everywhere, Afrobeat is now a globally accepted sound. The vibrant rhythms, infection melodies, and energetic beats now dominate international markets, charts, playlists, and music festivals.